Hi, Amma. So the problem is given, Amma, x square plus y square equal to xy plus 13, x plus y is equal to root xy plus 3, Amma. Find the values of possible values of x and y, Amma. So here, welcome to IANS Easy Maths, Amma. So like this only, logical, typical and Olympiad problems, Amma. Tough problems and hard problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends so that you can get the latest updates. So this is a new channel, your subscription is very, very important. So here what is given, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this. Can you do this problem or not? X square plus y square is equal to xy plus 30 now, and the second one is xy is equal to root xy plus 3 now. Okay, so here like this logical questions, tough questions are uploaded. So here this is 1 and this is 2. Now what you have to do with this problem, you have to squaring on both sides. This step is very, very important. The second one you have to do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. X plus y whole square. X plus y whole square is equal to root xy plus 3 whole square. So here what will get, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here what will get here, xy plus 6 root xy plus 9. So what will get in this problem? So here x square plus y square value is given now. X square plus y square value is xy plus 13, x square plus y square. So we'll replace this x square and y square value. X square and y square value I am going to replace. So what will get here? So here xy plus 13 plus 2xy is equal to xy plus 6 root xy plus 9. So here 2xy, here xy will get cancelled. So 2xy is equal to 6 root xy. Here 9 13. 9 minus 13 minus 4 will get. So here you can take 2 common. Send all the terms to one side. 2xy minus 6 root xy plus 4 equal to 0. So here you can take 2 common, xy minus 3 root xy plus 2 equal to 0. Now here you have to find the factors. It is a quadratic. Here how will you get the quadratic? Root xy whole square minus, writing two factors, 2 root xy minus root xy plus 2 equal to 0. So here you can take root xy common, so root xy minus 2. So here also you can take root xy minus 2. So here you will get minus 1 equal to 0. So root xy minus 1 equal to 0 and root xy, okay, you can write r, root xy minus 2 equal to 0. So root xy means here xy is equal to 1 squaring on both sides, or xy is equal to 4. So here we should replace these values in 2. So replace the values into, replace in second equation. What will get here? X plus y is equal to 4. Second one will get x plus y is equal to 5. So if you apply the formula, x minus y is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So x plus y whole square means 16, minus 4 will get 12. In the same way here, if you apply the formula x minus y, you will get x plus y whole square minus 4xy, that is 5 square minus 16. So 25 minus 16, 9. So here if you solve the values, so x value, okay, x value will be 8. X value 8. Then y value will be 4, minus 4. So here if you take x value, here y cancel, 2x equal to 14, x value 7. So y value will be minus 2. So these are the possible values of x and y. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.